Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply add a member in YouTube Premium. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, access your YouTube app on your mobile phone. Afterwards, on your YouTube app, all you have to do is tap on this option of profile picture given on bottom right. After you are in this profile section, then you simply have to tap on this settings icon on top, and now tap on this option of purchase and membership. Here in this section, if you have already purchased the premium plan of YouTube, you will be able to find this option of family sharing in the settings option. You have to tap on this edit option beside, then you will be able to tap on this invite family members option. Go ahead, tap on it. Now go ahead, enter the email address or phone number that is connected with that person's account. Once you have provided the information, you will be able to tap on this send option given bottom. You will then afterwards receive an email notification when someone joins your family. So for that matter, your family or your member who you would like to add have to go ahead, check out their email if you have chosen their email as the invitation source. All they have to do is tap on this confirm option, and then you will receive a notification. If they have confirmed it and they are good to go, they will be able to join your premium plan for YouTube. That is how we can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.